What's good, squad? It's your girl Kaylee, and I am finally back with another keto recipe. We're going to make 5-ingredient keto breakfast sausage balls. These are my favorite, and it'll last me for a while. So this is what we'll need: some sausages, shredded cheese, cream cheese, almond flour, baking powder. And here is a recount of everything. So I'm going to line my baking sheet with parchment paper and go ahead and preheat the oven to 375. We're just going to dump the sausages, the cream cheese, the almond flour, the shredded cheese, and I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, so that means I'm going to have to dump 2 of that into the bowl. Right there. And I did make sure to wash my hands before touching the spoon, because I didn't want to get any bacteria on it. So my hands are freshly washed, but now it's time to get dirty. So we're just going to mold everything in and blend it all together. Make sure everything is incorporated. Make sure the cream cheese is spread throughout. Make sure the shredded cheese is all the way through. Make sure everything is just blended really nicely. Pretend like you're kneading some bread. But yeah, next time I think I'm going to use some of my gloves. I don't know why I didn't on this round, but yeah, we're definitely going to keep molding. Once everything is incorporated, we'll go ahead and start to section it off into little balls and roll and mold it all together just like that. Let's see how many we can make. So I got to 12. And this right here, I wanted to try to get to 15, but it looks like we're only going to get about 2 more out of that. So a total of 14. So that could possibly last me 7 days if I eat 2 in the morning. So you'll bake this for 20 to 25 minutes, 30 to 35 if you want it a little bit more crunchier. But yes, one of these balls is 199 calories. And that's the finished product. So I ate 2 along with some strawberries. You can pair it with anything that you want. Some blueberries, raspberries, maybe some avocados if you like those. And voila. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this. You can store these with saran wrap or in an airtight container. And voila.